Hi, we're making a series on houseplants as you can see, and here's one more video on it. Do subscribe to our channel if you're watching us for the first time. Thank you very much. So, if you're a laid-back gardener who's not interested in spending a lot of time caring for plants, then we have some easy-peasy houseplants for you. Yeah, so let's start. So first one to go would be Chinese money plant, also popular as a good luck plant. The coin-shaped brown-green leaves are the main attraction of this easy-to-maintain houseplant. Keep it where it can bask in the glory of dappled light and it will continue to thrive for years. Yeah. It looks so good. Oh my god. Jade Plant. Not only the plant is easy to maintain and looks awesome, but it also offers tons of benefits. It also comes in different varieties. Yeah. Wandering Jew. The cheerful variegated leaves offers a pop of color to your plant collection. It is very low maintenance and looks great in hanging planters or in mini baskets. Yeah. These looks super cool. An arrowhead plant. If you're looking for a beautiful houseplant with variegated leaves that's easy to grow and maintain, then arrowhead plant is an apt choice. It performs well in shade and looks gorgeous year-round. Snake plant. Snake plant is the most easy-peasy plant. Growing and carrying it is as simple as cutting a piece of cake. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Ta-da! Aloe. The plants in the aloe genus are all easy to grow, low maintenance and air purifying, but it's the aloe vera that offers the most medical benefits. Pothos. A great choice for a forgetful or a new gardener. Pothos grow fast with striking variegated leaves in low light conditions and thrives well with irregular watering schedules. Grow this trailing vine over shelves or furniture and purify the indoor air as a bonus from this NASA-approved plant. NASA-approved plant. This sounds like super cool. Whew. So, which of these plants are you planning to grow? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye!